Welcome to VEEDiscover. Join us as we journey to the heart of Ethiopia to cook Doro Wat, a spicy chicken stew beloved by many. Ingredients: chicken pieces marinated in lemon juice and salt, Berbere spice blend for heat and flavor, onions, garlic, and ginger minced, hard-boiled eggs. Chicken stock. Step 1. Cooking onions. Begin by cooking the onions until they caramelize, then add garlic and ginger. Step 2. Adding Berbere and chicken. Stir in the Berbere spice, followed by the chicken pieces, coating them well. Step 3. Simmering the stew. Pour in the chicken stock and bring to a simmer. Cook until the chicken is tender. Step 4. Adding boiled eggs. Pierce the hard-boiled eggs with a fork and add them to the stew to soak up the flavors. Step 5. Serving. Spoon the Doro Wat onto plates of Injera, Ethiopia's unique sourdough flatbread. Doro Wat is a celebration of Ethiopian flavors. Share this dish with family and friends for a truly communal meal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more recipes.